as I'm going to speak awareness for Amber Heard. For what they did to Amber Heard is no call for. Um, what I'm going to say, what happened to me first, is what guys put me through. Uh, they were on drugs and alcohol. They held my legs down, held my arms down where I couldn't fight out of it. They beat me in the head with a crutch as I actually had 2 pints of blood left in me. I didn't think I was going to make it. It was a miracle I survived with 2 pints of blood. Most people die, they don't have a chance of survival. But Amber Heard went through the same ordeal. Now, if Johnny Depp got help, he would have killed her. No question about it. As what the judge did was unquestionable, destroying all her evidence on every person coming in to testify on what he did to Amber Heard, as all the witnesses on the plane were going to testify against Johnny Depp. And the judge would not allow it to come into the courtroom. She destroyed it all the evidence Amber Heard had to win, including x-rays from a doctor's office proving bruising due to the bone. Pictures and photographs were going to be displayed in the courtroom. The judge would not allow it to come into the courtroom. The judge dismissed it all coming into the courtroom. Amber Heard lost all her cases to help her win. And then when Johnny Depp sat there in the courtroom saying Amber Heard cut his finger off, when Amber Heard's lawyer went and confiscated a tape recorder, came from Johnny Depp's doctors, as he was telling everybody, Amber Heard's lawyer was telling everybody in the courtroom, he was bad for suing people, as he recorded him for that reason, because he thought he might need it for his testimony against Johnny Depp. So when he played it, before he played it, he asked me, is it true? Amber Heard, you've been telling everybody around the courtroom, Amber Heard cut your finger off. He said, yes, that's true. And when he played the tape recorder, asked him, is that his voice on the tape recorder? He said, is that your voice? He said, yes, that's my voice. He said, okay to play it. He said, go ahead, play it. I don't care. And then when he played it, it testified he cut his own finger off by mistake. He wanted to change his testimony. But the judge goes over and dismisses a jury and brings a new jury in, showing the judge is being bribed. That's why the judge is not putting it on YouTube, and that's